In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request QuillBot account deletion through the contact form. First, open your browser and go to the QuillBot website. Make sure you're signed in to the exact account you want to remove. If you manage more than one account, double-check the email shown in the header so the request goes to the right profile. Next, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Contact Us. That takes you to QuillBot's support form, which is where you'll submit the deletion request. On the form, find the category drop-down and switch it to Manage Account. Selecting the right category routes your ticket to the team that handles account changes, which usually speeds things up. In the subject field, type Account Deletion. Clear subjects help support understand your request at a glance. In the description box, write a brief, polite message stating that you'd like your QuillBot account deleted. You can mention a simple reason, such as privacy preferences, or that you no longer use the service. Keep it general. Don't include passwords, payment details, or any sensitive information. If the form asks for a contact email, use the same address associated with the account so the team can verify ownership quickly. Before you submit, remember that deletion is typically permanent. You may lose saved documents, history, or personal settings. If there's anything you want to keep, back it up first. If you currently have a paid plan, note that policies can differ. You can mention your plan status in the message so support can guide you on next steps. When everything looks good, click Submit. You should see a confirmation that your request was sent. Keep an eye on your inbox for an automated acknowledgement and potentially a follow-up email asking you to confirm the deletion. Reply from the same email address if they request verification, and keep any ticket number the system provides in case you need to reference it later. If you don't see a message, check your spam or junk folder. That's it. To recap, sign in, open your profile menu, choose Contact Us, set the category to Manage Account, use Account Deletion as the subject, add a brief description, and submit the form. Once support confirms, your account will be removed according to their policy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close out your QuillBot account confidently and securely.